Hi students, welcome to Aryabhatta Maths World Hebba. This is Basuraj. Today we are going to learn about basics of circles. First we go to the objectives of circle. After completing this module, you will be able to learn what is define circle. Define circle basics: chord, segment, sector, arc, secant, etc. Define intersecting line and non-intersecting line and tangent. Let us learn one by one. The first we have to learn basics of circle. A circle is a shape with all the points at the same distance from its center. Let us learn first center. O is a center. Center of a circle, all points on the circles are same distance from the center. So this is called center O. Radius, it is the distance from the center of the circle to any point on the circle. From this center to any point on the circle. O is a radius, OA is also radius, OB is also radius, OC is also radius, OD is also radius. So from center to any point on the circle. Diameter, diameter is the distance across the circle through the center, that is B from the E. It is called as diameter. So circumference, circumference is the distance around the circle, that is C. This is circumference. Whatever the point I have moved from one point, that is called circumference of the circle. These are the basics of the circle. Let us learn next basics, that is called chord. What is chord? Chord is nothing but a diameter. The biggest diameter is called as chord from this point B to E. This is called chord. A chord is a straight line segment with its end points on the circumference of the circle. It will reach from one end point to another point on the circle, that is called chord. That is B from A. It is also called A from E. It is also called B from E. It is also called as a chord. The biggest chord of the circle is diameter, that is given here, it is here. So let us learn arc. Second point. What is arc? An arc is a part of circumference of a circle. An arc is a part of a circumference of a circle. Arc means this is from M to N, that is called minor arc. So Mn is what? Chord. But M to N, whatever the green line is there, that is called arc, that is minor arc. And the portion this is covered is called as minor segment. Major arc is this one. What is the violet color it is given there, that is called major arc. So the portion major arc is covered by major segment. Next we move to the secant. What is secant? Secant means if the line segment that forms a chord of a circle is extended on both sides, the straight line with 2 points on the circle is known as secant. Means the line from this to this, the line which will meet at circle 2 points, that is A and B, that is called secant, which will pass through 2 points A and B on the circle, then it is called as secant. Understand? Next we move to the next portion, that is called sector. A sector of a circle is a portion of a circle enclosed by 2 radius in an arc. Means sector means a small portion, 2 radius enclosed, that is OA and OB, 2 circles, OA and OB. This is called sector. So OA and OB, this portion is called as sector. OA and OB are the radius. This is a minor sector. This portion is called as major sector, that is given major sector, minor sector, which will join together by 2 radius. This is called sector. Next we move to the circle and line in a plane. So see here, there are 3 types: non-intersecting line, line AB which will intersect not in a circle O. Line AB circle have no common points. This is secant. Here see here circle is there. Here AB line which will touches the 2 points at M and N. This is called secant, which have 2 common points which will touches the circle at M and N, that is called secant. So this is a circle, the AB line touches the circle at P point, that is called, there are only one point which is the common point, which is called tangent. It is called a tangent. So these are the basics of the circle. There are non-intersecting line. Non-intersecting line means there is no touch on the circle. Intersecting line means secant, means the points will touches the circle. A line is the circle touches 2 points, M and N. Tangent means A and B line touches at only one point on the circle, that is P, that is called tangent. So this is the basics of circle. So I think all of you understand it. Okay, if you any difficulty, you will ask me. The summary of the circle is, a circle is a collection of all points in a plane which are constant distance from the fixed point. Radius is the distance from the center of the circle to any point on the circle. Diameter is the distance across a circle through the center. Circumference is the distance around the circle. Chord is a straight line segment with its end points on the circumference of the circle. An arc is a point of the circumference of a circle. If the line segment that form a chord of a circle extended on both the sides, the straight line with the 2 points on the circle is known as secant. Sector, a circle is a portion of the circle enclosed by 2 radius and an arc. Intersecting line have 2 common points. Non-intersecting have no common points. Tangents means have only one common point with the circle. So these are the summaries of the basics of the circles what I have told. Chord, radius, circumference, arc, secant, sector, intersecting line, non-intersecting line, tangents. Okay, if you have any difficulty, you will ask me. Okay, I think all of you understand it. Okay, if you any difficulty, you will ask me through YouTube channel or any way, any message or any WhatsApp. Okay, okay, please like and share. Okay, thank you.